Welcome to the secrets of the Enchanted Garden, where nature's wonders await us at every turn. Today, we embark on a journey to unveil the hidden treasures of rare and exotic plants, revealing the beauty and magic they hold within. Hello, and welcome, my fellow nature enthusiasts. Join me as we explore the enchanting world of rare and exotic plants, right here in the heart of the United States of America. In this captivating garden, we encounter an extraordinary collection of plants from around the globe, each possessing its own unique charm and allure. The towering palms of distant tropical jungles to the delicate blooms of high mountain slopes, every corner holds a secret, waiting to be discovered. Our first stop takes us to the majestic Amorphous titanum, also known as the corpse flower. Native to the rainforests of Sumatra, this remarkable plant is famous for its enormous size and pungent odor, which resembles that of rotting flesh. Despite its rather unpleasant scent, the corpse flower captivates visitors with its rare and fleeting beauty, blooming only once every few years. As we marvel at the corpse flower's magnificent bloom, we are reminded of the incredible diversity of life found within our planet's rich tapestry of ecosystems. Each plant has adapted uniquely to its environment, showcasing nature's ingenuity and resilience. Moving on, we encounter the otherworldly pitcher plant, a carnivorous marvel that lures unsuspecting insects into its trap with sweet nectar, only to capture and digest them for nourishment. Found in boggy habitats across North America, these fascinating plants remind us of the intricate relationships between species in the natural world. As guardians of biodiversity, it is our responsibility to protect and preserve these rare and exotic plants for future generations to admire and cherish. Through conservation efforts and sustainable practices, we can ensure that these botanical wonders continue to thrive in their native habitats. Our journey through the Enchanted Garden has been nothing short of magical, filled with wonder, awe, and a newfound appreciation for the intricate beauty of nature's creations. As we bid farewell to this enchanting realm, let us carry the spirit of curiosity and reverence with us, knowing that the secrets of the garden will always beckon us to explore and discover. Until next time, may your hearts be filled with the beauty of the natural world. Thank you for joining me on this unforgettable adventure through the secrets of the Enchanted Garden.